Do you want to speak English fluently? You are in the right place. I'm Natalie, your English teacher. Like and subscribe for more speaking practices. Let's get started. We begin our lesson today with a very interesting question. What's this? It is cold, sweet, and you eat this in summer. And you are right, it's ice cream. I love it a lot. Do you like ice cream? Write in the comments. So, to speak about your favorite meals, we need, of course, some useful words. And now you will learn how to name all these meals in English. Number 1. What's this? Pizza. Repeat after me. Pizza. Right. And number 2? Sandwich. Sandwich. What about the next one? Milkshake. Milkshake. And number 4? Pasta. Pasta. And the next one? Soup. Soup. And number 6? Salad. Salad. And the next one? Burger. Burger. And number 8? Fries. Fries. And the next one? Ice cream. Ice cream. And number 10? Coffee. Coffee. And now let's take a little bit of grammar. When you enjoy something, you say, I like. I like plus meal. For example, I like pizza. Can you repeat after me? I like pizza. And now it's your turn. Make your own sentence and say it aloud. For example, I like sandwich. What do you like? And when you don't enjoy something, you say, I don't like. I don't like plus meal. For example, I don't like milkshakes. And what about you? And now make your own sentence and say it aloud. I don't like. For example, I don't like soup. And use this to ask someone if they enjoy something. For example, do you like plus meal? For example, do you like sandwiches? And now make your own question and say it aloud. Do you like? Finish this question, please. Great job! Now you know how to ask questions and how to answer them. And now let's get started. Speaking practice, fun food quiz. What meal has cheese and tomato on it? A pizza has cheese and tomato on it. What is a cold and sweet drink? A milkshake is a cold and sweet drink. What has bread and something inside? A sandwich has bread and something inside. Fresh vegetables in a bowl. What's this? A salad is fresh vegetables in a bowl. And what are thin and hot pieces of potato? Fries are thin and hot pieces of potato. And what's this? Coffee is a hot drink with a strong taste. Are you ready for writing practice? Let's start. So pause the video and write in the comments, I like something, but I don't like something. For example, I like pizza, but I don't like burgers. Great job! Congratulations! And now you know how to talk about what you like, what you don't like, and ask questions. Plus, you practiced today speaking, listening, writing, and even solved a quiz. Practice these sentences every day. Like this video, subscribe for more useful and fun lessons, and comment your favorite meal from today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Bye!